Welcome back, guys. It's Trucker DC, and this is why every trucker needs to stay here in Richmond, Indiana at this Quality Inn. Let me show you why. All right, guys, so we are here at the Quality Inn here in Richmond, Indiana. Something so dope is my man Jay right here.
Hey guys.
So Jay actually messaged me on TikTok. So he was watching the videos just like you guys, a part of the trucker community. He's a manager here and said, hey, Trucker DC, come through, lay your head. We have truck parking club, truck parking in the back. So you could schedule them on the app or through the links that Jay provided. And what made you, bro, like want to reach out to truckers and really get some truck parking, partnering with them, and then having some good CDL discounts?
So I think one of the visible factors is our I-70 corridor. I think it's one of the largest interstate corridors.
Yep.
I think the trucker community in general, I know a lot of them try to stop at truck stops.
Yeah.
And in the last, few years now, even those truck stops are charging.
Yep.
So I think it'd be a unique place to have a truck stop and a hotel in the same lot.
Mm-hmm.
People can choose if they want to use the truck aspect, the truck parking club, or even if they want to rest. Yeah. So we're just trying to get more of that clientele, and we think this is geographically a good location for all that.
Yeah, it is, because guys, it's right off I-70, exit 156A. We're like half a mile off the road. So if you're going through 170, past Indianapolis towards Ohio, or if you're coming from Ohio, right there, like first two exits, I think it is. I think the first one was 156B, then the second one, 156A, here in Richmond, Indiana. And yeah, really nice hotel.
We do have a lot of interstate work going on, so be weary of that.
Yeah, there's a little bit of construction, but like I said, guys, I'm gonna tag Jay right here. And if you guys are coming through this way, just send him a message or look on the app that or the link, the choice link, see if they got any reservations. And I'm gonna show you guys around. So we'll go ahead, walk around through the hotel and go see our room. Let's go.
Ready for your room?
Yep. Let's go ahead and check it out, see what we're working with. Keep my voice down because obviously people sleeping. Super cool because one, they got truck parking right in the back. I'll have my editor overlay it. And then two, they also got really nice rooms. Thank you, man.
We set you a suite. You guys can go ahead and enjoy that.
Thank you.
All right, guys, here are your key cards. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you, bro.
You guys enjoy the trip.
Anything else you want to say to him?
No, nothing much. Come give us a visit here at the Quality Inn Conference Center. Like I said, I-70. We hope to see more of you. And if you don't stay with us, at least use our lot for the truck parking club.
So
hope to see you guys.
One thing I did want to clarify, if they don't book a room, can they still park there?
Yeah, so if you don't stay here, you can still park through the... There we go. If you don't book with us, you can still park through the truck parking club. We have 20 spots available, and then we can probably increase them based on summer demand.
Okay, and then if they book with you guys, do they get free truck parking, or they still got to pay?
Yeah, so if you book a hotel stay with us, you get free truck parking.
Okay, cool.
All right,
so
man.
Yeah, guys, I mean, if you're coming through, you got a couple days or a day or whatever, come get a room. It's honestly not bad. It's like $50. And then with the CDL discount, he could work that in. So if you think about a hotel room and truck parking, very competitive and right off I-70. So I appreciate you, Jay.
Guys.
Thank you, man. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, no problem. Take care, guys.
So super dope, guys. We'll go ahead and I'll show you guys the room. And and then we'll chill a little bit, break down this load. All right, y'all, so let's go see the room. Dang, this looks nice. Nice bed. Oh, you think that's it? No, sir. Big old tub. Yes, sir. We got a flat screen TV. Nice microwave. Refrigerator. Got a coffee pot right there. Some ice. AC unit. Low key. Nice view. It's a little cloudy today, but looks good overall. And then two nightstands. Big. I believe this is a king size bed. As I mentioned, the jacuzzi, super nice. Another nightstand with a chair. Put your bags right there. And then in the bathroom, Got a nice big mirror right there. Got some soap for y'all nasty fools that forget soap. They already got you. Don't trip. Some toilet paper. What's that called? Hair dryer. And yeah, shower and bath. Some more soap for you nasty fools. Super dope. I want to stress again, guys, how cool this is that he's a part of the community. Jay, bro, just messaged me off TikTok. Was like, hey, if you're coming through I-70, come through. We have truck parking through Truck Parking Club, which I think's already even more fire. And then, yeah, super competitive rates in a time that a lot of us don't, like a lot of places don't want truckers anyway, to come through and invite us through. Super cool. So let's go show them some love and book with them. Like I said, it's like 50 bucks, which for a hotel and truck parking, I feel like it's a pretty good deal, me personally, but y'all let me know. All right, guys, we're in room 422, and I'm gonna just go walk around and see what they got here. Pretty sure they got laundry, maybe a pool. It is a little chilly out, so I don't know if I'll swim, but let me see. I'm also trying to keep it quiet because there's, you know, people probably trying to sleep and shit. Let's see, elevator. Da, 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 da. Let's go see what they got going on. I also might order some food. I'm gonna ask Jay what's some good food. All right, y'all, so Jay's showing me around real quick. Man, you got chess here. They obviously got the pool. It's cold, so I'm not gonna get in, but I appreciate you showing me. But the gym, I know a lot of you guys don't wanna hit that, so that's super cool too. Looks like they got dumbbells, bench, treadmill, elliptical, got the scale so you could check your scales, you know, check your weights, and then chess. If anyone wanna play me in chess, go ahead, chess.com, and we'll run it, bro. Y'all gonna lose, but we can run it. And a super nice pool as well. So how long, you said you're the manager, but part owner, how long have you owned this property?
So we got over here in 2024, so we're about 2 years in.
Okay.
And I've been actively here in Richmond for the last like 4 months.
Oh, nice, man. Oh, thank you. So are you from Indiana originally, or where are you from?
Originally I'm from Wisconsin, but I've been
okay.
Indiana area for the last like 6 years.
Nice.
6 years, yeah.
Okay, cool. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, man, not a problem.
I wanted to ask, you guys got laundry, I assume?
We do on the second floor.
Okay, so.
Second floor, you want me to show you?
You don't have to. I'll find it, bro, but I appreciate it.
As soon as you go out the elevator,
okay.
you can see it.
Cool.
Yes, you go out the elevator, and then you see how they're all mazes, like 1,
yep.
2, 3.
Yep.
You go out, and you'll see it on the right.
Cool. So I'll show you guys the laundry, and then also I'm gonna show you guys outside real quick before it gets too dark. Thank you, Jay. Appreciate you, man. So from the looks of it, I think they have breakfast as well. We won't be staying for that because we have load early in the morning, about 5 a.m. So we're gonna be getting out of here pretty early. However, I do wanna show you that they do have food right around here. So right across the street right here, y'all can see they got Red Lobster. You can get out the truck, go get some Red Lobster if you want. There's a sign right there that says Underground Restaurant. I don't know what that's about, but we'll go ahead and look that up. So yeah, they got the Red Lobster. They also got a couple car dealerships. But just so you guys know, there's a couple hotels over here. I will say this is the nicest one, like by far. There's a Motel 6 up there. So I don't know if they have one truck parking, but I do see a Petro, I do see a Best Western. Right there where you see that car going, you can see the Petro, that's I-70. So we are just under this bridge right here at this Quality Inn and Suites. There's also a sign, so if you come here, you're gonna wanna hit the second exit, make a left, and there's a sign for Truck Parking Club. And then from the outside, super nice. You see it right there. I think it's a conference center, so I don't know if they host conferences or meetings or whatever, but that's what it sounds like to me, that they also do conferences. Real quick, I'm gonna hit some B-roll, so stay tuned, and then I'm gonna show you where the truck parking is, so give me just a few minutes. So right here, guys, in the back, you can see actually, we are parked right here. So he said they have 20 spots straight through there. And now we're gonna circle back up through the lobby. And you can see this kind of like a hangout spot. I think right up here is smoke spot if you want to smoke cigarette or whatever. But yeah, they got a lot of truck parking. Come down this road right here, and then you can park on that side right there. So super dope. So this is super cool. They got up here by their pool, a gym, as well as like a big chess table. So super fire. Let's go ahead and check that out now. Also, guys, they have breakfast from 6:30 to 9:30 in the morning. You can see a little breakfast setup bar right here. We'll go ahead and check that out in the morning. But in the meantime, I do want to show you guys the laundry in case you want to do any laundry while we're here. Let's go check that out. All right, guys, so right here is the guest laundry. Gonna go ahead on in here and check it out. Okay, so not bad. It's enough for what we needed to do. One washer and one dryer. There we go. So yeah, it's not bad. It seems like someone's running a load right now, so it's not bad. Not a whole lot, but it's got enough for what you need. So yeah, not much more I can say about that. It's all good. So yeah, guys, overall, super nice property. Super cool dude being Jay, the manager. I appreciate him for showing me around and for you know, hooking it up with the room. There we go. I accidentally went to the wrong door, and I'm like, my card ain't working. All right, so we're gonna order some food and call it a night. But we'll pick this back up in the morning. Like I said, we have a delivery at 5 a.m. and so we'll be going to that.